Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to change the colors in the 74930 multicolor LED light that is in your retrofitted Tiger River spa. Before we get started, let's go over the parts you will need. Parts you will need: 74930 multicolor LED light, 76836 IQ 2020 Eagle box, and the 76845 top side control panel. Step 1. Press the mode down button to reach the tools menu. Step 2. Press the on button to reach TMPLK. Step 3. Press the mode down button 3 times to reach light. Step 4. Press the on button to reach dim 0. Step 5. Press the mode down button 3 times to reach color. Step 6. Choose the color you want with the on and off buttons. Step 7. Press the mode down button 2 times to reach exit. Step 8. Press the on button to reach summer. Step 9. Press the mode down button 4 times to reach exit. Step 10. Press the on button to reach the spa temperature. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.